Hey, hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we will talk about a new topic, that is how to take a screenshot in Selenium WebDriver. Okay, this is the topic, how to take the screenshot in Selenium WebDriver. So why do we need screenshot? I mean, why do we need to take the screenshot? See, it is very simple. So while writing Selenium code, sometimes we need to capture the screenshot of the web page. Sometimes your test case may fail. So at that moment of time, whenever there is a failure, if you want to take the screenshot of that page, so you can take the screenshot. There are various use of capturing the screenshot. Sometimes even if you want to take a screenshot in the case when the test case is getting passed, that can also help you if there is any problem, or if you want to just check some particular steps with the help of an image. In that moment you can take a screenshot. So now let us understand how to take the screenshot using Selenium WebDriver. So before writing the code, let me just quickly explain about three things. Okay, you need to remember three things. Those are take screenshot, get screenshot as, and file utils. So what is take screenshot? So take screenshot is basically it's a interface in Selenium WebDriver, okay, that represents the driver which can actually capture the screenshot. Okay, that is take screenshot interface. Okay, it indicates a driver basically. So, and this take screenshot interface has a method that is get screenshot as. Okay, we will see this while writing the code, and we have something called file utils. So this file utils is basically it is from the Apache Common IO utility package. Okay, so this basically helps you to get that screenshot, okay, and store in a file location. So let us see this tree implementation now. So for that, I'm going to write a test class. Okay. So under this, let me create a class here. So let me give the name as my screenshot, something like that I'm giving. So I'm going to go with proper test.ng format. Here I will be providing my the driver initialization and the Chrome driver path and all. So let me take this part from here. It's already explained in my previous tutorials, so you can go and have a look if you have not seen. Let me give @test. Okay, I'll give public void take screenshot. Here I'll be providing these things, and my driver has to be provided. Let me give here driver. So let me import this, and let me import my test engine notation also. Okay, so here let me just change that to a different website. So I'm going to show this example with amazon.in. Okay, so this is my website. Basically I'm going to launch this URL, and I'll be taking the screenshot, okay, of this particular page. Okay, so let me change that particular URL from this URL to this one, amazon.in. So now, so this part I have already explained in my previous tutorials. I'm not using system.set property. I'm using WebDriver manager. You can also use system.set property if you want to use. For that, you can simply go with this. Okay, you can provide a system.set property like that. You can provide. So you can provide, and you can provide the Chrome driver location that you have downloaded. But this is optional thing, so I'm not using this one. I'm going to go with WebDriver manager.chromedriver.setup. Okay, so now my job is to take the screenshot of this particular web page. I'll show you how to take it now. Okay, so what I'll do is, as I have told you that take screenshot is an interface here, so let me use this first. Okay, I'll be writing the code with the help of take screenshot. I'll show you how to implement this. So let me type take screen. Okay, take screenshot. Okay, so this represents the driver. So let me write here driver. Okay, this has a method. Okay, so let me show you that method also. So this has a method. The method name is get screenshot as. Okay, so if I press dot and get screenshot as, this is the method. Okay, so here this is the method which is provided by take screenshot interface. Now I can type output type. So what is the output type of this particular screenshot? That is going to be in the file format. Okay, so this is the line you have to write, and since this is the file format output file, we have to write file, and you can give some screenshot file. You can give simple file also, you can just declare one just file, anything you can write here. Now this have to be imported, and this has to be imported from the java.io. Okay, so now the thing is, we have implemented take screenshot and the get screenshot as. Okay, now it's time to use the file utils. So what is the file utils? The file utils is basically from the Apache Common IO utilities package. Okay, so this one, to make it, you must have Apache Common IO, that particular jar file downloaded on your system. Okay, so for that, if you are using a Maven project, you don't have to download it separately. Okay, so in my case, mine is a Maven project. I'm using a Maven project. So when I downloaded my Selenium jar files, it also downloaded the Apache Common IO.2.6.jar. Okay, if you are using Maven project and you don't have this commons.io.jar file, then you can download it from the Maven repository. How to do that? Let me show you. Okay, so you can simply write Apache commons IO. Just type that. Go to Maven repository. This is the Maven repository. You can simply go here, and once you click on this, you will get the latest version, that is 2.11.0. Okay, as of now, you can click on this, and you can just copy this dependency file lines. You can simply copy, and you can go to your pom.xml file of your Maven project. That will be under your project, and you can simply provide the dependency here. Okay, like that, and you can do control save, and it will start downloading the commons.io from the Apache. Okay, so since in my case already it is downloaded, as you can see, I don't have to save it here. And in case if you are using a normal Java project, if you are not using the Maven project, for example, this is my normal Java project. Okay, so in this case, as you see, I don't have this one, right? This is a normal Java project in my reference libraries. For this case, you have to download it separately. So how to download that? Simple only. You can just from the Maven repository itself, you can simply click on jar. Okay, you can just click, you can just download the jar file. So once you have downloaded the jar file, you can simply go to the project. You can just right click, build path, configure build path, and you can just go to library and add the external jar. You can simply import that particular file. Okay, so I would recommend to use the Maven project. Okay, so it's very simple. I mean, you don't have to download all these things externally. You can simply just use the pom.xml file, and you can just give the dependency file. Okay, now I'll go to the code and I'll implement the file utils part. So let me type file utils. Okay, so file utils, so this has a method again, that is copy file. Okay, so copy file. So as you can see, the first one is copy file, files, src file, that means source file and destination file. So this I have to use. So source file is basically going to be from here, because I'm going to copy the file. I mean, this particular line is going to take the screenshot, and it will copy with the help of file utils copy file method. Remember, this file utils can be used only and only if you have commons.io, that particular jar file. Okay, so if you do not have this commons.io jar file, then you cannot use this file util class. So you can see this is file util is imported here from Apache commons.io. Okay, so now I have to provide the source file, that is the screenshot file. Okay, now what is the destination file for me? So this destination file can be your system directory that you can provide. Okay, so here, so let me just type new and file. Okay, so inside this I have to provide the file location. The file location for this is, I'm going to use this particular file location. Okay, so as you can see, there is nothing, it's empty folder. So let me give this particular file location, and I also have to mention the name of the file. So by what name you want to save that particular screenshot. Okay, so because you are going to take the screenshot of this particular page, so what is that particular file name you want to provide? So that you can give, let me give like test.png. You can give anything. Okay, you can just give image.png or hello.png, whatever you feel like, you can just provide the name of the file. Okay, so now let me handle the exception here. It throws declaration. Okay, this input output exception. So now let me run the code. Okay, we'll see this will launch this particular URL, that is amazon.in. Then it will maximize the window and it will take the screenshot. Then it will save the particular screenshot in this particular file location that I have given. So now let me run the code. I'll go with run. As you can see, it is launching the browser and it will maximize the window now. So it is maximized. Let us see the result. It is passed, and also see the folder now. Yeah, can you see this? So this has actually taken the screenshot and saved in this particular location. Let me open this. So this is the screenshot that has captured. This is an image test.png because I have given the file name as test.png. So this is getting saved in this particular directory location. Okay, so this is the location. Let me close and show you again. So as you can see, this is the location and this is the test.png file. Let me directly can show you also that this is the png. Okay, as you can see. So now we have understood how to capture the screenshot. Let me do one thing. I'll change the name of that particular file now. And instead of test.png, I'll make it testing.png. And I will close this for now. I'll rerun the code. So this time it is going to capture one more screenshot because the file name is different here. So it is not going to replace, it will create another file here. Now let us see the result. Let me run this code again. Okay, so it is running and it will launch, it will maximize the browser now. Now let us see, it is done. Now let us see the location now. See, as you can see, it is creating one more file, that is testing.png file. Okay, so like that we can capture the screenshot wherever we want. Okay, in whichever line of the code you want to take the screenshot, we can just write this and we can take the screenshot. There's another way of handling it, like we can simply call that particular method. Okay, and we can simply give the file name, so our screenshot will be captured. Okay, so that also I'll be showing in a different implementation, because we are also going to see this how to take the screenshot whenever there is a failure in the code. For that, there is something different concept, test engine listener. So we'll be looking at those particular topics as well in my upcoming tutorials. Okay, so this is all for now. I mean, we have seen how to take the screenshot in Selenium WebDriver. Okay, we have seen these total three important things, that these are take screenshot interface, and we have seen how to use the get screenshot method of take screenshot, and we also have seen the Apache common.io, that utility package. Okay, we have used the file utils class. Okay, and we have used the copy file method to save the file from source to destination. So that's all about this topic. I hope you have liked the topic. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with a new topic. Thank you. Thanks for watching.